Have you ever seen an insect or mini animals that doesn't exist and couldn't look away? These mechanical toy videos are trending right now, and creators are making thousands of dollars just by posting this exact style of content. Look at this page: 419.7K followers and 11.1 million likes, gained just by uploading similar videos, and individual videos reaching 32 million, 24 million, and 32.3 million views. Every single frame of those mechanical toys you just watched were generated entirely by AI. No cameras, no studios, no real bugs, just metal exoskeletons, gear joints, and glowing eyes, moving like something straight out of a dream you can't quite explain. So, how is this actually made? Let me walk you through the exact workflow so you can start creating and posting these yourself today within 5 minutes. Make sure to hit subscribe because I drop these tutorials regularly and you do not want to miss what is coming next. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. In the search bar, type mechanical toy and click on the first result that appears. Open the GPT and click Start the Generator. Within seconds, it provides you with 10 different mechanical toy concepts to choose from. 10 ready-made viral ideas sitting right in front of you. Now, just pick any number you want. I am going with number 6. Once you enter your number, ChatGPT will provide you 2 image prompts and 1 video prompt across 6 different models for that concept. Take a look through the options and choose the one that looks the most interesting to you. I am going with the Phoenix because it looks incredibly satisfying, and that is exactly the type of content that stops people mid-scroll. Now copy image prompt 1 and head over to Google Flow. Choose the image option from the menu and make sure all your desired settings are turned on before you generate. Paste the image prompt in and hit enter. In just a few seconds, Google Flow will generate a perfectly structured, detailed image for your first scene. Now, here is the step that makes your video look professional and consistent. Choose the image you like the most from the outputs. Click the 3 dots on it and choose Add to Prompt. Now copy image prompt 2 from ChatGPT and paste it here. Google Flow will generate your second image using the first image as a visual reference. Same style, same structure, same atmosphere. This is what makes both scenes feel like they belong together in one video. Your second image will be ready in seconds. Now, let's bring both of these images to life. Choose the video option from the same panel and select your desired video settings. Now choose the first image as the start frame and the second image as the end frame. Copy the video prompt from ChatGPT and paste it directly in. Hit generate, and in just a few seconds, Google Flow will produce your complete viral mechanical toy video, ultra realistic smooth motion, ready to post immediately. Watch how clean and satisfying the final result looks. What you just saw is the daily workflow behind some of the fastest growing accounts in this space right now. But the mechanical insect thing? That's not the point. The point is the formula underneath it. Niche topic plus visual curiosity plus consistent output equals a loyal, growing audience. Love deep-sea creatures? Do mechanical deep-sea monsters. Into ancient mythology? Reconstruct lost creatures of legend in AI. Obsessed with space? Build alien mechanical life forms that look like they were just discovered on Europa. You just need to be the channel that one type of person can't stop watching. The tools are already there. All you need is the theme. If you found this useful, hit subscribe. I break down exactly how creators are using AI to build audiences in niches most people haven't even thought of yet. New video every week. And drop your niche idea in the comments. I read every single one, and your idea might just be the next video.